Article 12, circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. So these are the following that are exempt from criminal liability. So first, or one, an imbecile or an insane person, unless the latter has acted during the lucid interval when the imbecile or an insane person has committed an act which the law defines that it is an felony or delito. The court shall order his confinement in order of the hospital or asylums established for persons afflicted, which he shall not be permitted to live without first obtaining the permission of the same court. 2. A person under 9 years of age. The third one, a person over 9 years of age under 15, not unless if he has acted with discernment, in which case such minor or shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provisions of Article 80 of this code. When such minor is adjudged to be criminally irresponsible, the court, in conformity with the provisions of this and the preceding paragraph, shall commit him to the care and custody of his family, who should be charged with his surveillance and education. Otherwise, he shall be committed to the care of some institution of a person mentioned in said Article 80. So the next one, number 4, any person while performing a lawful act with due care causes an injury by mere accident, fault, or intention of causing it. Next, 5, any person who acts under the compulsion of an irresistible force. 6, any person who acts under the impulse of an uncontrollable fear of an equal or greater injury. 7, any person who fails to perform an act required by law when it is prevented by some lawful or insuperable cause. Article 13, mitigating circumstances. So these are the following that I will mention. The mitigating circumstances, the first one, mentioned those persons who are mentioned in the preceding chapter, when all the requisites necessary to justify the act or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are all not attendant. The next one, we have that the offender is 18 years old, 80 years of age, and over 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provisions of Article 80. Number 3, that the offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Number 4, that the sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offender party immediately preceded the act. 5, that the act committed in the immediate vindication of grave offense to the one committing the felony, his spouse, ascendants, descendants, legitimate, natural, adopted brothers or sisters, or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. 6, that having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion or obfuscation. 7, that the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agents, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence to the prosecution. Next, that the offender is deaf or dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect which this restricts his means of action, defense, or communication with his fellow beings. Next, such illnesses. Number 9, such illnesses of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the will power of the offender, without, however, it deprives him of his conscious acts. The last one in Article 13, number 10. And finally, any other circumstance of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned. The last article, Article 14, aggravating circumstances. First, that advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2, that the crime he committed in contempt of or with insult to the public authorities. Number 3, that the act to be committed with insult or in disregard of respect due the offended party on account of his rank, age, sex, or that it to be committed in the dwelling of the offender if the latter has not given provocation. 4, that the act committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. 6, that the crime in the palace of the chief executive, in his presence, or where public authorities are engaged in discharge of duties, or in place dedicated to religious worships. 6, that the crime committed in the nighttime or an uninhabited place or by a band whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense, whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have acted together in the commission of an offense, it shall be deemed to the committed by a band. 7, that the crime committed on the occasion of conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or persons who ensure of or afford impunity. 9, that the accused is recidivist. Recidivist is one at the time of his trial for one crime shall be previously convicted by the final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of this code. 10, that the offender has been previously punished for an offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Number 11, that the crime be committed in consideration of price, reward, or promise. 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, derailment of a locomotive, or by the use of any other article involving great waste and ruin. 13, that the act committed with evident premeditation. 14, the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. 15, the advantage be taken of superior strength or means be employed to weaken the defense. 10. The act committed be with treachery. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crimes against the person, employing means, methods, or forms in the execution thereof, which tend directly and specially to ensure its execution without risk to himself arising from the defense which the offender party might make. 17. That means be employed or circumstance brought about which add ignominy to the nature effects of the act, that the crime be committed after injury unlawful. There is an unlawful entry when an entrance affected by a way not intended for the purpose. Number 19, that the means of the commission of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window, be broken. 20, that the crime committed with the aid of persons under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicles, airships, or other similar means. And the last number, 21, that the wrong doing in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong, not necessarily for its commission.